Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm super excited for our shopping episode for today because we are going to FENDI's flagship store at Greenbelt, and I'm so excited to be sharing to you their latest bag collection. So hope you enjoy today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at Ramiro52.
Hi guys, Ron here. So we are going to do voiceover for the shopping episode at Fendi's. Hope you enjoy today's episode. Let us check out the window display at Fendi. Look at this very beautiful red Fendi first. Some ready to wear here for their spring summer 2022. OMG, how beautiful are these monogram Fendi SLGS. Look at that round coin purse. Love the selection here, the Fendi strap and wallet on chain. I am trying this sequin Fendi Baguette bag. OMG, if I'm not mistaken, the price of this one is around 185,000 Philippine pesos. She is truly beautiful, guys. OMG. Alright, so we have here Fendi By The Way bag. She looks really cute and the leather looks really soft. We have here Fendi Sunshine Tote in this beige pink color and the Fendi Peekaboo. Some micro Peekaboo for you guys. Here we have Fendi Montresors. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So we have this very supple leather here. I love that it comes with a top handle. We have, of course, beautiful sunglasses from Fendi. I am loving a couple of here. I love this one with the Fendi monogram on the frame. Looks so beautiful, right? This one, love also. Now let us check out some footwear from Fendi. So we have this knee-high boots. Then we have a Fendi monogram combat boots. Looks cute. This would be a good everyday kind of boots. Now let's check out this very beautiful caramel colored Fendi collection. So we have the Fendi we have the Montresor, we have the Sunshine Tote in this very beautiful yummy caramel color. Then we have the Sunshine Tote in large. These bags, I feel they are one of the older version or seasons of Fendi, but I do appreciate the Fendi monogram here. If I'm not mistaken, the name of these bags are Can I bags. They are from the era of Karl Lagerfeld. More Fendi By The Way bags for you guys. Love the one with the Fendi monogram, the brown one. Super love. And then we have here the Fendi baguettes in small. We have some Fendi costume jewelries and rings. Super nice. This one, love the yellow color of the baguette and the Sunshine Tote. So more eye candies. So now we are at the micro FENDI Baguette Heaven. Look at this one, so beautiful. Guys, what do you think of this Peekaboo? I'm not really sure if that one, I'm kind of not liking it. This I love the sequin micro baguette, of course. As you know me, I love anything sparkly. I also love the Suka Fendi monogram print. This one, I'm not really sure if I'm a fan. OMG guys, I am on a sequin Fendi Baguette heaven. Again guys, don't quote me on this one, but the size mini, if I'm not mistaken, price is 180,000 Philippine pesos. So I am trying on the Fendi first for the very first time. I doubted this when it came out, but honestly guys, it's growing on me. I love how supple and soft the leather is, yet it's very soft, but it keeps it structured. Here I'm trying it on as a shoulder bag. It looks really cute guys. What do you think? So let us check out some more ready to wear from Fendi. I love this spring summer 2022 colors. In the styling, it looks yummy, super chic as well, right? What do you think of the color combination? And then we have here a Fendi Baguette. If I'm not mistaken, this is the one wherein they have collaborated with Kim Kardashian. Honestly, I'm not a fan. So we have a Fendi first. Another by the way bag. So let's check out some more eye candies from Fendi. So I believe we are on Pink Heaven here. Love this one. Love the ready to wear. Love the color as well. Love how they styled the entire store. As you are going to notice, they have styled this depending on the color palette. So now we are checking out the neutral gold tone palette. We have Peekaboo on top, super gorgeous. OMG, I am on Fendi monogram heaven. Honestly guys, I'm still looking for a Fendi monogram jacket or pants that would suit me. Fendi Baguette in fur. This one, OMG, so we have the size small and size mini. Super love this Fendi Baguettes. So we are now at the neutral palette section for women's wear. So we have here spring summer 2022 dress. We have a calligraphy pullover. What about this pants guys? What do you think in with the calligraphy logo? We have a trench coat here. We have here a nice Fendi white shirt. Super love the palette, don't you think guys? So beautiful footwear from Fendi with the inverted F as the heel. So I believe right now we are at the black gray palette section of the store. Beautiful supple Fendi Peekaboo. This is their original version. Super chic and stylish. So more combat boots. Beautiful Fendi dress. What do you think of this color palette, you guys? Do you prefer the brown or the black and gray section? Beautiful heels, Fendi. This one I kind of forgot what's the name of this bag, but I'm not really a fan. So we have here, of course, the classic Fendi Baguette in black with gold hardware. Super love. Later I'm going to try that one because it's still a dream of mine to own a Fendi Baguette. Beautiful scarf from Fendi. I think if I would be getting one here, it would be the red because it would be so striking. I think the brown one also looks classic Fendi and looks really beautiful. So we have here the Fendi belts. Take your pick, guys. What is your favorite here? Very beautiful scarf from their Spring Summer 2022 collection. So now I'm trying on this Fendi wallet on chain. If I'm not mistaken, the price of this one is around 80,000 Philippine pesos. Then of course, first time to see and try the FENDIgraphy bag. Super beautiful, although this size would not fit anything, but again, super cute. Now let's check out the men's section. So we have here the dad sandals for Fendi. We have sneakers. We have slides. How about these bags, guys? What do you think? I'm not really sure if they can be considered as a trunk bag, but they are very structured. So they have a top handle and it comes with a sling as well. So you could crossbody this kind of bag. Super cute, right? So we have here a large version of that one. So more eye candies. We have here Peekaboo for men. I'm not really sure if this is lambskin because it looks really soft and it looks really supple. What do you think, guys? So let's check more what we could spot at the store. OMG. What do you think, guys, of this Fendi trunk bag? Super beautiful. I love the monogram. I love the combination, of course, of black with gold hardware. Here we have some ready to wear from Fendi. So again, we are at the menswear department. These men's Peekaboo I love. I love the color, the size. I love the grain leather. This bag, however, I'm not really sure how I feel about this bag. Alright, trying on the mini Fendi Baguette. So price is 120,000 Philippine pesos. We have here more beautiful bags from Fendi. So we have the Peekaboo. More Peekaboo from from their Monster collection. So I'm actually a little bit surprised that it's still here. So we have here more totes from men. Then we have this collection from a couple of seasons ago. So we have here a Fendi monogram drawstring bag. More Fendi Peekaboo. Love the yellow one. Cute. So we have here more of the trunk bag. So this time the combination is in silver hardware. So what do you prefer, guys? So we have here, of course, these bags that we've tried so many times. More Peekaboo backpack. So we have some sneakers. This one is cute, right? So, neutral palette, ready to wear for menswear. Love the white pullover. Looks nice, right? More footwear from Fendi menswear section. Then let's check out what they have more for ready to wear. I believe this is from their latest collection. Look at this monogram combination. So we have the Zuka, Fendi, and the calligraphy on one design. Of course, I needed to try this bag because I was a little bit curious. What do you think, guys?
We have just finished at Fendi. It's actually now their flagship store here in Greenbelt, and they have very good selection, guys. I hope you enjoyed our shopping episode today. See ya! There, hope you enjoyed our shopping episode for today. So the time of my visit, this was before Fendachi. And I was surprised, of course, with the very beautiful bags of Fendi. So I've seen the Fendi first. I've seen FENDIgraphy. OMG, the FENDIgraphy, guys. It looks so yummy, the micro one. So they have it in metallic gold and in metallic silver. And also the Baguette. OMG, super beautiful. Again, thank you to the very kind SA who assisted at Fendi. So hope you enjoyed today's episode. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at Ramirafy2. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!